too much money sitting in a bank, whose responsibility is that? Now, the Federal Reserve says they'll give you $250.
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Madera County in central California, central Merced County in central California, northwestern Fresno County in central California until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Los Banos, Oregon, 18 miles southwest of Atwater, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Madera, central Merced, and northwestern Fresno counties, including the following locations: San Luis National Wildlife Refuge. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
By the way, that's gone.